channel. Yeah, today I'm going to be doing a little of showing you a little of my routine at home, and I'll be showing you what happens in my salon. Yes, I have a salon at home. Most of the times I make my hair myself, and today I decided to make a crochet by myself, to install it myself. So I made this hair. Can you see it? It's all back. It's just a simple weaving. I made it all back, and at the end of it I used a thread to attach the tail to the middle of the hair, just like this, to make it firm. Okay. Whenever you want to make crochet, just make sure that you have a nice weave underneath. It may not necessarily be all back all the time, but just do something nice. Okay. I do a lot of crochet myself because for me it's very fast and quite convenient for me to do myself. Okay, so today what I want to install, about a few weeks ago I did one. It was more of styling. I'm going to show you the picture of that. What I want to use for the crochet is a Darling product. They call it Darling Spring Coil. Okay, this is what it looks like. Darling Spring Coil. And if you're someone like me, the picture also will be displayed soon. If you're someone like me that doesn't like something very full, what I'm trying to do is to just use a pack of this to fix my hair. So because I don't like something very full, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be separating the extension into two. Let me show you. It's quite simple, just like this. This is one strand of it. That pack of Darling Spring Coil, the 16 inches, actually comes with 40 pieces of this. Okay, but for this crochet I just want to do something very light and simple. I'm going to be needing about 80 strands. So this comes in 40s. If I want to use this like this, it means I'm going to be using 2 packs of this, and for me that may be quite too full. I might not really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this one into 2. Okay, so looking at this, when you pick the hole, the point you're supposed to crochet on your head, and you try to open it, okay, you'll discover itself that even the extension itself was too curled together. All right, so you gently separate it into 2. You do it neatly so you don't ruffle the extension before you even fix it on your hair. So this is what I have. I have this too, like this. Okay, so I have 1 and 2 this way. Okay, so let's go again. This is a fresh one, a whole one from the pack. From this hole, this point here, okay, from this point I open it gently like this, and I separate it this way. While I'm separating it, I can see the single strand separating into 2 strands itself. So I pick that and I open it into 2, just like this. Very simple. So you have 2 strands of this. you just need the crochet pin after you have made this. Then plus the fact that the hair you make under it does not always have to be all back. You can change the style depending on how you want to style your crochet. So we go. So altogether I have 80 strands of this, and I'm going to be fixing it one after the other. Now this is what I have. This is what I want to fix on my hair. So I can start with somewhere in the front. The crochet pin has a hook. Okay, so when you want to fix it in your hair, in the weave, make sure the hook is closed. Okay, so let me show you from somewhere here. Fix it in. All right, then make sure the hook is opened. Then you can fix the midpoint of this weave in the hook. Then you close it. Make sure you close it so that it doesn't hook your hair. Then gently pull it out along the same axis. Then you open it up from here. Okay, then you put this, the both parts of the hair in the hole. Then sometimes you can turn this like this, like taking it back and forth. Okay, then you pull it out. So you have it just like this. Okay, so you continue to do this until you are done fixing your hair. But while you are fixing your crochet, you have to be very careful. Depending on the crochet, the number of crochet extensions that you have at hand, that will tell you how you want to fix it and where you want to concentrate on. Of course, make sure you concentrate on the front, because the front will cover up the ones at the back. Okay, so I'm fixing another one. I've done the same thing. I put the pin here, I opened the hook, I fixed the extension at the midpoint, closed the hook, gently pulled it out. Then I have this opened. Okay, so I put the whole of this inside this hole. All right, then I turn this, make a turn like this, then take this in again, like taking it back and forth. So you continue to do that back and forth until you have all the strands fixed. So this is very simple and easy. Let's go again the third time. This is your crochet pin. Make sure it's closed. The hook is closed. Okay, fix it in your hair. The hook is now opened, as you can see. Then the midpoint of this, you hold it, fix it in your hair. Then you close the hook, then pull it back. The major function of the crochet pin is just like using it to fix this thing, just like you're using the needle to pass your thread in the cloth to join it together. So back and forth again. So there we go. Pull it to tighten it. Don't be afraid to put the extension. It will call back. That's what it was made for. Alright, so keep fixing until you've got something super beautiful. So I have this part to fix, then the back. Towards the back as much as possible. I'll leave the back scantier than the front because, like I said earlier, I don't always like my hair too heavy or too busy. I still need a little of fresh air to touch my scalp, so back is going to be a little scanty. Having a full hair on, why not? You can fix as many strands as possible, as many strands as you can, but for me, I just feel like I'm overloading my head for the next few weeks, so I just want to do something as light as possible. Nathaniel, how are you? I also forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that if you are doing a crochet and you have a limited volume of extension to work with, you have to do like a calculation and count what you want to fit on each roll of the hair so that you don't overuse and at the same time you're still coming out with something nice. Don't overuse and at the same time still something okay. So guys, coming towards the end of this hair, I'm already looking like a queen, yes, but at some point I needed to remove some from the front because the front was too full and the back was very scanty, wasn't covering well. So like what I have here, so I had to remove some from the front to cover up the back. Okay, so at the end of everything, I'll show you guys what I came up with. So guys, at the end of the hair, this is what I came up with. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you the back quickly, so you can see the back on the side and also to the other side. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Of course, I can decide to pack it anyhow I wish to. Okay, roughly it took me about say an hour to actually fix this on my head. That's after separating the extension and of course after making the weave under it. So thank you so much for staying tuned. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.